Hello everybody, this is Ivan Carrera and I'm going to present a little presentation about OSHA. Is construction inherently dangerous? For many years the responsibility for safety was considered to be the individual's responsibility. Nearly everyone believed that construction was so terrible, dangerous that nothing could be done to change it. Construction estimates actually contain line items or costs of employee facilities, buildings. First of all, I'm going to talk about what is OSHA. OSHA stands for the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, which is part of the U.S. Department of Labor. OSHA is the federal agency which has oversight for worker safety and health in the United States and territories. This is 3 points of OSHA importance. OSHA is responsible for the promulgations and enforcement of standards to protect workers. The standards that affect the construction industry are the CFR Part 1926 standards. The standards that affect general industry are the CFR Part 1910 standards. How OSHA works. When the OSHA Act of 1970 is the Public Law 91/596 was first enacted. Each state was granted the right to establish their own safety and health program. Those states with their own programs are referred to as state-run states. Those states that elected not to establish their own programs come under federal jurisdictions and referred to as federal program states. My friend Arturo is going to talk about the net points of this OSHA in how it works.
Hi everybody. Okay, we next to talk about the safety saves lives and money. Some show we need to get to the word out that there are some clear correlation between safety and productivity, quality, money and lives. Managers is the industry need to understand that safety goes after their bottom line and an industry that has a business failure rate as high as ours. The cost of worker compensation is often as much as company payroll for the certain classification of employees. Workers' compensation insurance was developed to provide a form of no-fault, guaranteed payment to the employee, inclusive remind for the employer. The General Duty Clause. The General Duty Clause Section 5A(1) of the Act states that each employer shall furnish to each of his employment and place of employment, which are free from recognized hazards that are causing is likely to cause death or serious physical harm to these employees. 29 Code of Federal Regulation, CFR Part 1926. CFR 1926 is a composite for the standard which after to the construction industry. This standard was written by many diverse groups of experts representing various segments of the industry. They codify and set forth the safety and health standard promulgated by the Secretary of Labor under Section 107 for the Contract Work Hours and Safety Standard Act, the Construction Safety Act.
Hello everybody, my name is Fernando. Using the standards. The standard is in the indexed output numerical with each subpart and heading indexed. Numerical subpart and generally is indexed as 9066 1 with subpart P excavation is indexed has 1966 and measured aiding within each subpar are also indexed numerically. For example, 1926 3052 represented heading fire prevention under subpar welding and coating. If one turns the 1926 tier 52, they noted that only in heading fire prevention is beside the numbers. Immediately following is the first paragraph with standard, which a supergraph within and paragraph, a leading numerically, again, and listing within thus both subpars are small. Cows run numerically if one were a fin 1926 tier 5 tier. In the standard it would really lead base metals. Employer responsibility pursuant the requirement of the general duty because 1926 21 b 2 requires that the employer shall instruction age on the these employees in the recognition and avoidance and unsafe condition on the regulation applicable to this work environment, the control or eliminate and hazard of the exposure to illness and injury. 1926 to establish the requirement for the employers to establish and maintain of state program for the prevention and accident and incidents in the workplace. Thank you.